Hello little learners, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered what you would do if the world you knew started to fall apart? Let's talk about a hero who didn't wait for someone else to save the day. This is the story of MOANA. On the beautiful island of Motunui, there lived a brave and kind girl named MOANA. Her father was a chief, and she was destined to lead her people one day. But trouble was brewing in paradise. The coconut trees were dying, and the fish were disappearing from the reefs. The very life of the island was fading away. MOANA discovers an ancient legend. The island's troubles began when the heart of the goddess Tifiti, a small green stone, was stolen by the mischievous demigod, Maui. Without her heart, a terrible darkness began to spread across the ocean, poisoning everything it touched. MOANA feels a deep connection to the ocean, and it seems to be calling her for a special mission. Her wise grandmother, Tala, reveals that the ocean chose MOANA to restore the heart. She gives MOANA the very heart of Tifiti and encourages her to find Maui and make things right. Trusting her instincts, MOANA sets sail on a solo voyage across the vast, uncharted sea. After a tough journey, she finds a once mighty Maui, who is now a reluctant hero. He's lost his magic fishhook and his confidence. At first, he refuses to help, but MOANA's determination eventually convinces him. Together, they embark on an incredible adventure. They face off against tiny, coconut-armored pirates, escape the clutches of a treasure-hoarding giant crab, and battle monstrous waves. Their biggest challenge is a terrifying lava monster named TK, who guards the way to Tifiti. In a climactic battle, MOANA has a sudden realization. TK isn't just a monster. She is Tifiti, corrupted and enraged after losing her heart. With incredible courage, MOANA walks calmly towards the fiery beast, parts the sea, and sings a gentle song. She holds up the glowing green stone and places it back where it belongs. The fire and rage melt away, revealing the beautiful, green goddess Tifiti once more. With the darkness gone, life returns to the ocean and the islands. Maui apologizes to Tifiti and receives a brand new magical hook. MOANA returns to Motunui not just as a chief's daughter, but as a true hero and master wayfinder. She leads her people back to their voyaging roots, exploring the open sea with courage and wisdom. MOANA's story teaches us that sometimes the hero we're waiting for is ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you love this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tales of courage and adventure. See you next time.